Hi there, everyone. Kathryn Shaler, Ontario NDP candidate for Lambton, Kent, Middlesex. I'm standing outside the Strathroy Middlesex Hospital in Strathroy, and I want to talk to you about healthcare. In particular, I want to talk to you about the primary caregiver or family doctor crisis. And I'm standing here in front of the hospital because if you have visited an ER in the past 7 years, you will have experienced very long wait times. In fact, in December, wait times and ER closures were at a record high. We are lucky here in LKM that we haven't experienced ER closures yet, but the wait times are very long. Now, why is that? The main reason that our emergency departments are overrun is because of the lack of family doctors, of primary caregivers. There are over 2.5 million Ontarians who do not have a family doctor. That number is expected to grow to 4.4 million within the next year without significant intervention by government. Now, when the Ford government came to power in 2018, there were about 1.3 million people in Ontario without a family doctor. That was a legacy of the Liberal government before them, who made promises but never followed through. Now, the Ford government ended up actually freezing or cutting the funding that it gave to hospitals and putting toward health care, and they funneled billions actually into private health care. An Ontario NDP government is committed to fixing this problem once and for all and restoring our strong, enviable public health care system that was there before the Liberals and the Conservatives started messing around with it. So the commitment from the ONDP now is this. We need 138 primary care healthcare teams throughout the province. We need to fund 3,500 new doctors, family doctors. We need to fast track these care teams and also remove the barriers in getting certified and licensed the 13,000 internationally trained doctors that are already here in Ontario. We need to fund residencies for family doctors in the medical schools. All these things would help speed up getting more doctors out there and into the community. That will require about $4 billion, not the 1.3 or 2 that the Ford government is promising, not just the 3 that the Liberals are promising. An Ontario NDP government will properly fund what is needed to get our family care, family teams, and primary caregivers to every Ontarian. It's what you deserve. I'm asking you to think about the future. I'm asking you to vote Ontario NDP on February 27th. Thank you.